Hello and welcome to our video. Today we will be taking a look at 9 different types of aircraft. First, we have the Cessna 172. The Cessna 172 is one of the most popular, general aviation aircrafts around the world. It is a 4-seat, single-engine, high-wing airplane. It has a sleek design and is ideal for recreational flying, pilot training and personal transportation. In second, is the Boeing 747. The Boeing 747 is one of the most iconic planes in the world. It is a wide-body, long-range, 4-engine jet airliner. It is capable of carrying over 500 passengers in a single journey. The third aircraft is the Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 is the world's largest passenger airliner. It is a double-deck, wide-body, 4-engine jet airliner and is capable of carrying up to 853 passengers. It is the most advanced commercial aircraft and is used for long-haul flights. At number 4 is the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a single-engine, supersonic, multirole fighter aircraft. It is used by the United States Air Force and is also used by many other countries around the world. Our fifth aircraft is the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a single-engine, 5th-generation, stealth fighter aircraft. It is the most advanced fighter jet in the world and is used by the United States Air Force. The sixth aircraft is the Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion. The Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion is a twin-engine, heavy-lift helicopter. It is used by many countries around the world for transport, medical evacuation, search and rescue, reconnaissance and other military operations. It is capable of carrying up to 55 troops and is one of the most advanced helicopters in the world. Our seventh craft is the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. The Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit is a long-range, heavy bomber aircraft. It is a stealth aircraft and is used by the United States Air Force. The eighth aircraft is called the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is a single-engine, stealth, 5th-generation fighter aircraft. It is used by many countries around the world. The last is the Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is a twin-engine, heavy-lift helicopter. It is used by many countries around the world for transport, medical evacuation, search and rescue, reconnaissance and other military operations. From the Cessna 172 to the CH-47 Chinook, each aircraft offers its own unique features and capabilities. We hope you enjoyed this video exploring 9 different types of aircraft. Thanks for watching.